Stop by and take a look at the 2017 GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut. Come see the car for yourself.